Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of a phone I picked up on eBay. I actually got a couple down here to do. This one I picked up on eBay. I think it was 20 bucks. I can't remember, to be honest with you. But I will put the seller in the description because they do have two other ones posted. So we're going to take a look at this together. It is a Samsung SPH-M330 on Sprint. Let's take a look here. Nothing really going on there. Here's the device. It is I think it's a new phone. It's probably going to be dead. Does have a battery in it. See, there's a little, oh, it's just paper right there. Look a little dirty, but it's probably just paper. But I think it is complete. Yeah. So that's gonna be a quick unboxing. I guess we could plug it in real quick, possibly. Let me pause this for a second. So what I did was I just took the battery out of the Samsung high note. Is what we're gonna do real quick. And just to power it on, see. I think I already have one of these, I think. But I can't remember. And like I said, this wasn't too bad of a deal, so I went and picked it up. But I'll go ahead, like I said, and leave a link in the description, or even maybe pin the comment with the link for the other two of these. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for the other ones. See you next time.